Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily set Google Photos app as the default gallery on your device. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes, write comments below this video, and let's get on with this topic friends. And if you have such a situation that, let's say, you like to use Google Photo app more than the galleries on your device, and you'd like to set this app as the default gallery, it's very easy to do. I'm going to show you such a universal method that I think will work on absolutely all Android devices. So, first of all, you will need to find your file manager or just an app called Files and open it. This app stores all your photos, videos, music, documents, and so on. Now you will either when you open it, you will have a list of any photos or videos right away, or you can go to that list, find some images, and then wait for them to load and then work with them. When you have opened a photo or video in the files, you will need to click and hold on any of your media files. After that, you will need to find three dots. Now choose the option to open with or open through. And you will have a list here thanks to what to open this file. You choose Google Photo, click on it, and then you select this option at the bottom, always. So from now on, this photo or video will always be opened only through Google Photo, just like the rest of your media files. This way, you will set Google Photo app as the gallery on your device. Friends, this is the way you can easily set Google Photo as the default gallery on your device. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, and be sure to put your likes. Goodbye.